let us learn about subtraction with carry. Now, using these playing money. Now, we take two numbers, 4-digit numbers. Now, coming to subtract these two numbers, first we have to start from ones place. Okay. If here, if there is any number, no, it is 0. Paying money. We have taken one carry from tens place to ones place. Now, instead of these 10 rupees, we take 10 onces. Okay. Now, let us count 10 onces. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rupees. Okay. Now, removing these 10 rupees, we take onces of 10 rupees. Okay. Now, I put these 10 rupees here. We remove these 10. Now, we subtract 5 rupees. Okay, these are 5 rupees now. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let us remove these rupees here. Now, here it is 5 rupees. The remaining is 5 rupees. Now, coming to this tens place, here it is 110. These are tenses of 3 means it is 30. 30 is a big number, 10 is a small number. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಳೆಯೋಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? We take carry from 100 place. Now, carry from 100 place we take 100 rupees. Okay. Now, instead of these 100 rupees, we take 10 rupees of 10. Means it is 100. Now, let us count the 10 rupees. How many 10 rupees we take? 10. 10 into 10, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Now, we remove these 100 rupees. Instead of this 100 rupees, we put these 10 rupees of 10. Means it is 100. Now, subtract these 30 rupees from this number. We remove 30 rupees. 10, 20, 30. Here it is 30. Now, removing these rupees. The remaining are we put here. Okay. Now, coming to 100 place. Here, if there is any number here, 0. Here,
100.
subtracting number is
200.
0 is a small number, 200 is a big number. Okay. Now we take the one carry from which place? 1000 place. Okay. We take 1000 carry from 1000 place to 100 place. Okay. Now, instead of this 1000, we take 100 of how many notes? 10. 1. Now count the 100 rupees. 1, 2, 3,
400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900,
1000.
1000.
It is 1000 rupees. Okay. Remove this 1000 rupees. Put these 100 rupees of 10. It is means it is 1000. Okay. Now, we subtract 200 from 1000. Okay. 100, 200. Subtract these 200. Okay. It is the remaining number. Now coming to thousand place. Here how many thousands are there?
4,000.
4,000. Subtracting number? 2,000.
2,000.
Now we subtract to 2,000. Okay. Here we put the remaining number.
2,000.
Okay.
300
The remaining number is 2,885. Okay.
I guess.